Egg fried rice is fried eggs or fried rice first. A lot of people don't get it. Let me share with you today the best home-cooked way to eat egg fried rice. Beautiful color after serving, looks appetizing, and it's very nutritious. Both the elderly and children enjoy eating very much. Next, I will share the detailed method with you. Let's take a look. Don't throw away the leftover rice at home. Let's start to spread the rice inside a little bit. This will facilitate the next operation. Next, whisk 3 cereals hen eggs into the bowl. Use a spoon to scoop out the egg yolk inside. Put it in another smaller bowl. Separate the yolk from the egg whites, then mix well with chopsticks. Stir the egg yolks until you can't pick them up with chopsticks. Here we go. We drizzle the stirred egg yolks over the rice. Then put on gloves and give him a good grasp and mix evenly. This is the so-called golden rice. The meaning is good. Finally, stir onto each grain of rice. Can be evenly dipped in a layer of egg yolk. That's it. Give it a good mix of the remaining egg whites again. Just stir until you provoke it with chopsticks. Next, prepare a carrot. First, cut it into thinner thick slices. Then change the knife and cut it into shreds. And then I chop it all up. This cube is about the size of rice. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a small section of cucumber. Let's break it down into 4. Then remove the flesh in the middle. The melon flesh has more moisture and the taste is not good. The leftover cucumber skin tastes crispier. Next, cut all the cucumber peels into small strips. Finally, change the knife and cut it into small cubes. Cut it all and put it on a plate for later use. Prepare half an onion and cut it first. We slice the onions first. Then change all the onions. Cut into small pieces like this. After cutting, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare a ham sausage. Cut it into small pieces. Then change the knife and cut it into thin slices. And then you slice it. And then chop them into little cubes. After all are cut, put it on a plate for later use. Egg fried rice is inseparable from chives. Prepare some scallion leaves and cut them into scallions. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare some sweet beans. Put it in a larger bowl. Pour a little more water into the bowl. Wash all these sweet beans. After washing, use a colander to control the water and set it aside for later use. Add a spoonful of salt. Add a few more drops of cooking oil. After the water boils, pour the sweet beans down and blend the water. And salt can make sweet beans greener in color. In this way, oxalic acid can be removed well after blanching. Then add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the ham sausage down and fry until fragrant. After frying, put the cucumber. Add all the ingredients such as carrots and fry until fragrant. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, Please stretch out your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. After frying, we are going to pour it out and put it on a plate for later use. Add a little lard to the pan. Fried egg fried rice with lard tastes more delicious. Friends without lard can use a little minced meat. After the oil, we are going to pour in the egg whites. Fry the egg whites until they set. Then we use a shovel and you just chop them all up into little pieces like this. Fried into rice grains, it's about the size. This time, we can put rice wrapped in egg yolk liquid. All the food is poured in. And then we cook it and we fry it up really quickly. Fry dry the moisture in the egg yolk liquid inside. Fry until set. Finally, fry until the rice is clear grained. Next, we add a spoonful of salt to taste, a little chicken essence, sprinkle some pepper. Then stir well again. Stir fry all the seasonings inside and melt them. Give it more flips here. After all the incense, add all the side dishes just fried. Add all the blanched sweet beans. Then continue to quickly stir fry evenly. Add the chives before they come out of the pot. Stir fry the chives again and the fragrance is almost there. Looks like an appetite. And it smells amazing. Such a delicious egg fried rice. You can take it out of the pot and put it on the plate. Egg fried rice fried like this. It's not enough to make a big plate at a time. Color golden, looks appetizing. Even children who don't usually like rice love to eat. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.